the remote control. This remote control is included in the teeth whitening machine system. This is our portable teeth whitening machine. LED goggles to prevent you from getting LED exposure. It's the tooth shade guide. It is a continuum of teeth whitening colors that you can review with your client prior to and after the teeth whitening process. Peroxide gel teeth whitening kits. What's great about this product is that it includes everything you need to perform a teeth whitening treatment on a client. A bib, one pair of gloves, because we want to never have direct contact with the client or the client's mouth. A gel pen. This blue gel is used as a gum line protectant to ensure that the client's gum line is not burned during the teeth whitening treatment. A cheek retractor, which is used to keep the client's mouth wide open for the teeth whitening treatment. And last but not least, a peroxide gel pen. These pens are especially strong because they offer the highest whitening solution on the market, which at this time is 28%, which will guarantee strong client results. This is a product that we've newly introduced. Along with the cheek retractor, this product is used to help prop the client's mouth open during the teeth whitening process. The program also includes a client waiver or consent form. This form is critical when working with clients to protect both you and the client. This form is included in the full package as well.